So this is a first. Google direction. We were driving across the farm field because the tunnel tunnel back there we were coming through was closed. And Google's instructions were, in 30 meters, 100 meters, take the train. And apparently we're about to drive our car into the train to go through the tunnel.
That was broken.
Apparently it just got us 33 frankers. Here we go. Let's see how this goes. Here, Lauren, I'm going to hand you this. Let's see how we do here.
All right, hold on. Putting my seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Not quite sure why.
Hey, camera, do you want a corn? Give me a corn.
You should just put the phone up here.
Hit stop. Hit stop. Take the train. Do you hear what it said?
Yeah.
It's right here.
Yeah. You have the ticket? I got the ticket.
All right, you got the ticket. I'm going to hit stop now when we get closer.
I need the ticket, so...
All right, we're getting closer
It's a
here.
one-man show.
Can I fart?
Blake, we're getting closer. All right, they're supervising the ticket taking. All right, they're all over it.
And they don't know that you're video.
15:35.
Oh, I'm
36.
glad we looked to make sure that we're the right height, 2.5 meters.
Oh my God. Yeah, we have the tent on top. 20 tons, Lauren.
She does speak English, so...
Good see. Okay. All right, that was that. Now we go.
Take the train, we're off.
Take the train, Siri says. Google lady,
Oh my
I
God,
guess.
telling me we don't fit.
This is where we go. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Do we get out of our car?
No, we stay right in it. Dude, this is crazy.
We might be...
Never have I ever.
Because we're boring. Ultimate drafting right here.
Oh my God.
This is what we're doing. Oh my gosh. Hey.
This is so much
I'm going to pull over so the man's got change in the lowest gear and apply the handbrake. He's motioning everybody forward. He wants them packed in here tight.
Yeah.
I don't blame him.
Yeah, they gotta be tight.
Put
He's
it
like,
in
you're
park,
good. He's
set
like,
the
you're
brake,
good.
turn it off. We're going to get some great fuel economy the next, whatever, 30 kilometers.
ultimate drafting. Hey, can I have you in my bag?
No.
Here we go.
Hey, now we're moving.
Oh my God.
This is a weird feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Really weird.
For the record, we're all just having a little snack of Lotta Rock. Because why wouldn't you? Let's see if I put it in wide view. See what happens there. Oh, that looks better.
Right, heating on.
Into the tunnel we go. I guess I can turn my lights off.
This is great. Getting almost perfect fuel economy.
What are you doing?
Turn the lights off on our own. Is there a door open or what? There's a door open right now. Let's not open any.
I don't think there's a door open.
Well, it's set to door. All right, I guess there's nothing to record here.
Whoa.
Okay, we just came out of the tunnel, so I can do a little more video.
Ooh.
Pretty bridge there. I guess I don't need to leave it up in here anymore. I can... I feel like we're going under those mountains.
It's so smooth, it's so weird. I'm bored.
It's very weird.
This is fun though. Oh, look at the lake. It's green and blue. Look down to the left, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Different colors of the lakes.
This is like a Disney World ride.
Nathan, stop, please.
There have been Swiss people around these parts. Watch out, kids. Oh, back in the tunnel.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go.
Here we go.
The light of day. Oh, Europe now.
Whoa.
Want to put the window down?
Wow. Open the zoom back out. Get the full.
You want to see what we just went through?
Just went under that massive mountain. There's people over there on the train. They're like, what are you doing? We have no idea. No idea whatsoever. Those are interesting. It's like a concrete factory on a train car. It says put your lowest gear and set your handbrake. Hoping we're getting out soon now. What was that, like 20 minutes? That wasn't too bad.
20 minutes in a tunnel.
Well, at least you got saved from driving over that pass.
Yep. There's quite a wall over there. Around radio segment, we're gonna look at this wall over here. Yes, you got a wall there, sir. Let's see if we can look out the window. Just came over some big mountains. Verdict?
Fun.
It was okay.
Nathan, what do you have to say?
Give me the iPad.
Blake, what do you say?
It was awesome.
All right.
Nice.
By the way, I just farted. Videos cannot smell, which is great.
All right.
It was
I
tolerant.
would point that out then.
What a review. Look at mountains up there. We still have to go over those or what? What are we doing next?
We stay on it and we go backwards. It's like if
I don't know where you're going.
we keep going.
Find out, I guess.
Seatbelts
More to
back
come.
on.
Now we're
moving.
Now we're driving down the train.
Now we're driving down the train, yeah.
So we drove onto it, and now we're driving down it. So we drove onto it. Up and then down. So we got on it, and then we rode on the train, and then we weren't going anywhere.
My goodness. That's funny. Never, ever.
And now we drive along the train. That's fun. Yeah, great fuel economy.
Well,
Mr. Mask Man.
it's like a ferry entrance here.
Yeah.
Oh, your little thingy blocks my Mask Man. Whoa, that is a little honey trade bowl.
That's how that goes.
Oh, and then they're going back on.
Look at that, Blake.
Look at that car.
Little Lotus. Or what is it?
Smart car.
Smart.
The smart cars look a lot like Lotus.
Wow. Well, that's how that works.
Yeah.
And there we go.
Fun.
Apparently we still have to go over those mountains. I'm not sure if there'll be a train or airplane or boat or
Load your cars onto
what
a boat.
involved.
But you went.
I'm going to pull in here and look. I don't know, since we're still videoing, I'll pull in here and we can look where we just came through. You can just see.
Wow.
Wow, it's right. I'll take it out of zoomy mode. That's what we just went under. Yeah, I'd rather go through the train than drive that, I think.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it must have gotten snow.
Yeah, no stress at all.
Yeah,
Normally you can drive that.
there you are. All right. Good job, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.